आपके साथ भी कभी ऐसा होता है कि यार डेली खाना बनाने का मन नहीं करता और अगर कुक भी हायर करो तो भी इतना अच्छा खाना नहीं मिलता है एंड what we end up is just ordering from Swiggy and Zomato. But who wants to eat outside food every single day, right? We want to eat healthy food but also not boring food at the same time. Well, I feel since it's the AI era, so this is the AI machine that we've got for ourselves. This is the appliance AI, the AI cooking assistant. So first off, let's just talk about the things that it comes with. So first up, you will see this weighing scale. You can take it off and clean it. Whatever veggies that you are cooking, you can actually weigh here, over here. And then this is obviously the big cooking jar. This is going to do all the cooking for you basically, and this is the only jar that it comes with, and trust me, it is sufficient. Obviously it can't cook rotis for you, but it can cook almost anything that you can imagine, and it can easily gets attached and detached, so it is pretty easy to clean it as well. And then on the top you will find a crown, and this is the top of the jar. Now let's talk about the tablet, which is also the star of this machine. Now this tablet holds 500 plus dishes. So if you feel like you want to make any restaurant style dish, you can just choose your dish over here and it will guide you step by step and show you how to do it. And the good thing is you don't have to charge this tablet separately because it already comes with an inbuilt charger, so it keeps on charging automatically whenever you plug in this gadget. And right below this tablet you will find this regulator. Now if you want to, at any point of time in cooking, if you want to take control and you want to maybe cook it a bit more, or you want to add certain different things, then you can just take control of this AI machine. Now this machine comes in a huge carton. Now this carton is pretty useful. You can keep it for your future travel. So whenever you are traveling, you can simply carry it. It's not that heavy. You can carry it around in your car, and it's pretty useful if you are traveling abroad or maybe any other place where you won't find any cook easily. You can just take your chef with you. Besides this, you also get a spatula with this, and there is this tool through which you can make dough. It cannot make rotis for you, as I said, but it can make dough for you. And then you also get these 3 spoons. So these are basically measuring spoons. So whatever ingredients that you are going to be putting in this jar, you can simply measure it, and it will be pretty easy, so that everything turns out to be perfectly fine. So this is the large spoon, the medium spoon and the small spoon. Apart from this, you also get this steamer to make rice or maybe any other dish. I have not used it yet. Let's take a look at the jar now. So after using it for 2 months, you can see right over here, you won't find any scratch or any burnt marks. It does get burnt sometimes, but when you quickly deep clean it or just rinse it off, it does the magic. Matlab, you won't see any scratches or anything over here. So I feel this jar is going to last a bit longer, and it is going to sustain any dish that I am going to make. So now we have the machine and I have all the ingredients ready with me. In fact, एक चीज़ है कि जब आप राजमा चावल बनाओगे ना, तो आपको राजमा कुकर में, मतलब बेसिकली गैस में कुक करना होगा. Then only you can proceed and start making rajma chawal on this AI machine. So this is one step where you are going to be using the gas stove, and trust me, there are going to be a lot of times in a lot of recipes where you don't require gas stove at all, but rajma is something that it requires a lot of heat while boiling. So I think the machine won't be able to do that. Okay, तो हमारी जो रेसिपी है ना, it's going to be ready in 1 hour 1 minute it says. So let's start it. We are going to be making for 3 people. और हमने राजमा और ये सोक ओवरनाइट तो कर ही लिया था, एंड नाउ वॉश राजमा हमने बॉईल भी कर लिया. नाउ वी आर हियर फॉर स्टेप नंबर 3. Okay, so now it's time to add all the other ingredients. Also, one important thing, whenever you're putting the crown and the jar top, you should definitely check out if both of these green lines are coming or not, because this shows that this jar is perfectly stable and is ready to cook. This is how it sounds when it is done. ओके गाइज़, अब हो गया 40 मिनट्स के बाद हमारी डिश एक्चुअली फाइनली रेडी हो गई है. सो लेट्स क्विकली टेस्ट इट. रेडी फॉर द रिवील. I am pretty nervous. This is how the dish looks. It's pretty hot. एक तो जो मसाले हैं इतने परफेक्टली ब्लेंड हुए हैं, एंड यू कैन लुक एट द ग्रेवी, काफ़ी अच्छी थिकनेस है. और ट्रस्ट मी, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि इसमें मसाले कम होंगे क्योंकि जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स के हिसाब से डलवाए थे आई थॉट वो बहुत लेस थे. इवन सॉल्ट मुझे लगा बहुत कम है, बट ओवरऑल द डिश इज़ वेरी गुड. मतलब मुझे कोई भी मसालों की कमी नहीं लग रही है. नमक इज़ ऑल्सो परफेक्ट. इनफैक्ट कुछ भी कमी नहीं लग रही. मतलब इट्स लाइक रेडी टू ईट. यू डोंट हैव टू ऐड और सब्सट्रैक्ट एनीथिंग. वाओ, इम्प्रेसिव. And guys, another thing that is very impressive in this machine, which I actually absolutely love, is the fact that you can simply clean the machine. I mean, you don't have to clean the machine cleans itself. So just go to this rinse option, और इसमें हम quick rinse वाला option करेंगे. Deep clean only we'll use it when we have made a lot of dishes and we really feel now it's time for deep clean. Today I'm going to just quick rinse it. So let's just see what are the steps. We just have to add 900 grams of water and liquid detergent, 2 drops, and it is going to clean it in 5 minutes. So now we are just going to rinse it off with water and it will be squeaky clean just like before. So now the question is, should you invest 28,000 in this AI cooking assistant? Well, my answer is yes and no both. Now why yes is because if you keep on traveling, or if you live somewhere where you don't find cooks so easily, or you live abroad where cooks are pretty expensive, you don't find cooks so easily, or if you feel that even if you hire a cook, he or she doesn't do the job in a good way and you want to eat good food every single day. So for those, I feel AI cooking assistant is a must buy. In fact, those who don't even know the basics of cooking will be able to cook in this AI machine pretty easily. So that's a bonus. So for those who feel that they want to replace their gas stove with an AI cooking assistant, for them it is not a good buy, because obviously a lot of things you have to make eventually in your gas stove, like rotis, or today I was cooking rajma, so I had to boil the rajma in the gas stove before proceeding in the cooking assistant. So for them, I feel this gadget is not a complete overall machine, but for me, I feel it's an amazing investment, and I feel it is pretty useful, because while you are cooking in this AI machine, and you also get some free time, so you can do some other tasks while also cooking at the same time. But if you compare it with manual cooking, when you do it on the gas stove, you have to be completely engrossed with it and patient with it. You have to stand in the kitchen until the dish is ready. But if you compare it with the cooking machine, once you have put in all the ingredients and you have set it, then the cooking machine is going to do the task. You do whatever, you can go wherever. Once you come back home, your dish is going to be ready as if like the chef has made it for you. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.